students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Once again, you all welcome back in Moral Science video, children, and this is my third video of this week. Yes, children, and today in this video, once again, I will recall you this chapter, chapter 2, and the name of the chapter, Love God's Creatures. And then after, you all will do the answer in one word. Okay, children? So, hope you all have done the previous homework. So, now today you all are going to do the answer in one word. So, lesson 2, name of the lesson, Love God's Creatures. We need love and care for God's creatures. Love is a special feeling that fills the heart. When you love someone, you treat them with the affection and do little things to make them happy. So now let's start the story. Yes, in the beginning, Rohit was an unhappy child. You can see Rohit is very sad because he always thought, I have nobody loves me and I have no friends. So he was an unhappy child. One day a cat hid under Rohit's bed. Okay, so Rohit said, what? He said that, what are you doing under my bed? He thought it is very lazy, that's why it is not coming out. So again he said, what I say? I said, get out from my house. But soon Rohit saw that the cat had hurt its paw. So that's why what Rohit said, oh, that is why you are not moving, you have hurt yourself. So what Rohit felt sorry for the cat and started nursing it. Okay, children, and he gave medicine and he said the medicine will help you recover fast. Soon Rohit and the cat became what? Good friends. Became good friends? Rohit's heart was full of love for the cat. Before long, the cat gave birth to 4 kittens, and Rohit looked after the kittens with great love and care. Okay, children. Now and soon other children in the neighborhood came to play with the kittens. Rohit had many new friends. Now they all played together happily with the kittens. So at last Rohit felt happy because now he has many new friends and they played together with the kittens. Okay, children. Now after that you all are going to do the answer in one word. Answer in one word. First you will read the question nicely and just give the correct answers. So let's start. Like there is, how do we feel when we love and serve other children? How do you feel? Tell me. Yes, when you love and serve others. Why? Because love, we need love and care for God's creature, because love is a special feeling and it fills the heart when you love someone. You treat them with affection. Affection, it means love, and do little things to make them happy. So how do we feel when we love and serve others? We feel happy. So there you will write happy, HAPPY, happy. When we love and serve others, we feel happy. Okay, children. Now next, where did the cat get hurt? Yes, where did the cat get hurt? You can see. Yes, in its paw. Paw, it means animal's foot. Where did the cat get hurt? You will write in its paw. Okay, and then after Rohit gave medicine to recover fast, and also he started nursing it. So where did the cat get hurt? You will write in its paw. Now next, what should we give God's creature? What should we give to God's creature? What should we give, children? We should give what we need. We should give love and care for God's creature. Love and care. So you will write here love and care, because love is a special feeling that fills the heart. Okay, when you love someone, for that we do little things to make them happy. So what should we give? And when we love and serve others, we feel very happy. So what should we give to God's creature? We should give love and care. We should also take care of God's creatures. Okay, now after that, question is here, who became good friends? What? Who became good friends? So what will you write here, children? Rohit and the cat, Rohit, and the cat. Yes, soon Rohit and the cat became good friends. Rohit's heart was full of love for the cat. What? Full of love for the cat. So who became good friends? There you will write Rohit and the cat. Now next question, how many kittens did the cat give birth? So what do you know, children? Yes, before long the cat gave birth to 4 kittens. So there you will write FOUR 4, and Rohit looked after the kittens with great love and care. Okay, children. So there you will write only 4. Now, who had hurt its paw? Yes, what will you write here? The cat. Yes, when suddenly Rohit saw that the cat had hurt its paw, so Rohit felt sorry for the cat and started nursing, and he gave medicine to recover fast. So who had hurt its paw? Paw, it means animal's foot. Okay, children. So who had? So in the what will you write? Only the cat. The cat. Next one is here. What is a special feeling that comes from the heart? So what will you write? Love. 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 Love is a special feeling that fills the heart. When you love someone, you treat them with affection and do little things to make them happy, my dear. Now once again I am repeating because today you all have to write the answer in one or few words. Okay, children. How do we feel when we love and serve others? You will write happy. We feel happy. Now, where did the cat get hurt? You will write in its paw. Okay, in its paw. Next, what should we give to God's creature? We should give love. We need to love and care for God's creatures. Okay, children. CREATURES. Love and care, because love is a special feeling that fills the heart, my dear. Now, who became good friends? There you will write Rohit and the cat became good friends. So Rohit and the cat. How many kittens did the cat give birth? You will write here 4. Who had hurt its paw? You all will write the cat. And the last is, what is a special feeling? You all will write that that comes from the heart. You will write love is a special feelings. So children, this is your homework. You all will write these 7 question answer in your copy with beautiful handwriting. So once again, at last I would like to say you thank you for watching this video till end. So have a wonderful day and bye bye you all.